Jail History Day. It's at 18.
Good morning, guys. Today we're heading to a farm. A short trip to a farm this morning. Here we are, just heading from Hallett Cove to down South Victor Harbour to get some hunting birds for you guys, okay? Thank you.
To the territory and says it needs to eliminate Hamas for its own protection.
Alright, we're heading to the right direction now. Just out of Hallett Cove Shopping Centre. So we're heading towards Ranelagh and then up the hill slightly, taking a different path this morning. Alright, should be a good drive and a good view on the way. Pretty chilly this morning, it's around 5 degrees up here. Just sunshine's coming. Alright guys, we just round Happy Valley Reservoir, and as you can see a few kangaroos sitting on top of the reservoir there. Can you see them? Yeah, just driving past reservoir there. As you can see a few kangaroos around there. Very good morning. Hopefully they don't jump to my car. There's a big fence, it should be alright. Guys, we're taking Chandler's Hills Road this morning, so we'll be climbing up the hill shortly. Not the biggest hill, but just early morning. Hello guys. Although it's pretty sleepy, I guess. It's pretty chilly. Getting big warm. Still steep hill up to the top. Getting big. Feels like we can see the horizon now. Just coming up and up. We're crossing here. I'm not sure if there's any water underneath, but Mount Bold Reservoir. We're here now in Mount Bold. Alright, turning around to welcome to Freeway Peninsula. See the beach from here as well. Right on beach and all that. Very clear skies this morning. We're approaching a small town here. We're just driving on Wilson Road, so I'm not sure what's this town called, but it looks like it's a pretty historic town here in Turner's Gully, so that's what it looks like. Looks like there's a little pub, cafe, and everything here. Dam. There's a kangaroo in this morning, pretty big one. So just running around McLaren Valley Wine Resort. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Perfect day to do this season. As you can see, there's not much greenery around. The soil is after a very good rain. Nice and cool drive this morning. So far so good. Few cars around the road. Not much traffic. Few animals around the town. Farms and all that. As you can see. Cows. And you can see some birds over there. I'm not sure what they are. Ducks, ducklings and all that. Just went through a pine tree farm, and you can see some animals down there. Some sheep grazing early in the morning. Hungry sheep. Horse. I'll take the horse for riding somewhere. Do you have cows around this morning? Plenty of dead animals around, especially kangaroos. A few horses around, getting ready for the bite. Got some noise. Down. You can go Echuca, Hardorf, Strathalman, Gulwa from here. Looks like I've been to this town before. Guys, we just entered a nice little town again here. We're getting fresh morning. Markets, looks like there's some markets today, farmers market. But grazing around, cows. Animals very active in the morning. They're hungry, I guess. It's a bit cloudy this way, I'm not sure why, but there's a bit of fog coming around. So, yeah, just gotta be careful while driving. Past the town called the Meadows. I'm heading towards Morning View. It's gonna take us to Strathalman Road, Macclesfield and all that. Bit of a strip hill again. farm now. Good sunrise this morning, but a bit foggy around, which is what it is, the weather. Can't control it. Between the shed one between the shed one where the farm is. Ships as well. Local ships.
Got to start catching some guinea fowls for people that are coming after you.
Oh, okay, yep. Plenty of birds around. You can see guinea pig, guinea pals, whatever they are. And there's a few chickens, roosters, plenty. Hi guys, we got 10 of them now, so heading home now. They're calm and quiet now, so hopefully they'll arrive safe home. Alright, thank you, see you at home now. Hi guys, heading back home now. That was a good 1 hour checking all the birds and getting more knowledge about farming around Australia and birds. So people buy those birds for fun, for pets, for farming, and all sorts. So there's plenty of birds around there, so it was good to come and see early this morning. Now we're heading back home, and these birds will be given to the people that ordered. 10 of them. So if you're keen on more videos like this on my birds, please like and share. For now, thank you very much. We're heading back home. Safe drive. Happy weekend. Bye bye.